Hey everyone, welcome to room 359. Can't pronounce the name of this hotel, so I'll write it at the bottom. Right, this is our last day, so pardon the mess. We're just about to check out. Right, when you come in, you've got one of these little things like in the Premier Inn where you've got to put your key card in. We just have a leaflet that they give us, folded up, slid in. Light switch, turn the lights on. On this side, you've got a map of the floor, so anywhere to go out and stuff like that. It's a Vila Galé hotel. So when I walk in to the hall thing, you have your bathroom on your right, toilet, bum wash, sink, mirror with lights on, a hairdryer, another little mirror there that's got a shower cap on it, sink and tap, nicely tiled floor. Not a bad bathroom actually, I like this bathroom. Shower, walk-in shower with the phone next to it, little towel rack. Soap, that's our soap and top, Nivea, and our sponge, that's in the hole, and our razor. Needs to tidy up in here. Nice little shower that actually. When you come out, you have a nice big mirror. Loads of architects on the walls, and then there's three of us, so we've got two single beds. Every day the maid came in and split them back up. We had to push them back together into a double. And then a third bed, so like say there's three of us, two adults and a child. Next to your bed, you've got a table, a lamp, a plug and a light switch. On the other side, you've got a table, a lamp and a plug. Some artwork on the walls and a headboard. I don't know what would be here where the third bed is. Maybe a couch or something. I've no idea. Maybe just a bigger sitting area. Who knows? Two chairs and a table, which is strange. Why did they give us two chairs when there's three of us? Who knows? A big wonky lamp. These lamps turn on if you notice. There's no ceiling lights. And when you turn the light switch on, the lights come on. It's the lamps that actually come on with the lights. So you've got a telly, which is obviously in Portuguese, but there's some British speaking programs with Portuguese subtitles. A desk, worktop thing with a drawer. What's in the drawer? Nothing. A bin and a luggage rack thing for your suitcase. Big wardrobe, big enough that I won't open that wardrobe. It's got the dirty sheets and stuff in, but it's big enough. And the other case, it's got a big case in there. The other wardrobe is not a wardrobe. It has a kettle in it that we haven't used. Nice clean kettle. Some cups, coffee, sugars and stuff. A safe, which does cost €2.50 a day to use. We didn't use it. And a mini fridge. A mini bar. A mini bar. Right, okay, so that is our Bacardi Breezer. Everything else in there is put there by the hotel, and you have to pay for. We're going home today, so we'll probably leave the Bacardi Breezer. Oh, and these little tags. What you do, you go to the reception, and they give you these tags, and then you take the tag to the pool, and the pool gives you a towel. But we didn't go swimming in the indoor pool because you need to wear a shower cap, and we didn't have shower caps, so we just went in the outside pool. Right, this is our view, the best view I've ever had from a hotel. Not. Right, so over the road there, McDonald's, literally over the road. Why isn't that focusing? Right there, so McDonald's is literally there, so you come out, fed up there, cross that road, cross that road, cross that road, and McDonald's is just there. You've got KFC just there. Burger King is a short walk up that way. Oh, as well, that there is not a bus stop. That's the land train stop. That's alright as well. It's where we go. Right, so you've got, like I say, McDonald's. See the sign there. KFC. Burger King and Pizza Hut is just further up the road that way. But if you want something better than just your normal British crap fast food, over there above McDonald's is that red sign there. Is a Chinese. I'm not a lover of Chinese food, so we never went there, but next door to it with a black sign just behind the tree, you just can't be formal, zoom in more to see it. But just behind that tree, next to the Chinese, is a Indian called the Indian Sizzler, and the food is delicious. Right, this road overnight is really noisy. Really noisy. Not too bad now. But I think the standard of Portuguese driving is pretty crap. They don't know how to change gear, or they drive everywhere flat out. What you hear all night is just the sound of racing and cars and motorbikes and that. Right, it's okay. To the balcony. Little balcony. Half circle, semi-circle, whatever. A chair. I mean, 2 chairs and 1 table. And that's the balcony pretty much. This side of the hotel with the road on is the shade. So we didn't spend much time out here. Got this door and big window. Looks double glazed, but doesn't keep the sound out. Pretty crap, to be honest. And it gets full of condensation, so wake up every day there's puddles of condensation water on the floor. So you can see, I don't know if you can see it, the condensation on the stuff that's still on the window. The window's a bit weird though, look, you press it down to look. 2 sets of curtains, you've got thick pair of curtains to keep the light out. And then you have like, these like the thick curtains, keep the light out. And then you get like these netty ones, so you can have your door open and shut the curtains, but keep the bugs out. Not that there's been any bugs, I've not seen any bugs in my room. No flies or nothing. Although there was quite a lot of, I've seen cockroaches every day in the breakfast area, which isn't good. I think I must be the chief cockroach killer this week. Anyway, thanks for watching. Any questions, ask, and I will try my best to answer them.